What's up, man? We back. Yo, today we doing something totally different. Yo, we're gonna spice it up a little bit on this one. So we got some Cinnamon Toast Crunch. We got some Hershey syrup. We got some rum chata. And we're gonna add a little bit of Crown to our drink. So I'm gonna call this drink the Cinnamon Toast Crunch dessert. So yeah. Sounds about right, right? So yeah. We're gonna first start off by getting our Cinnamon Toast Crunch in our bowl a little bit. So once we get in our bowl, we're gonna try to grind it up. I brought the spoon over to see what it'll do, but forget the spoon. We'll use our hands. Grind it just like that. Just like that. Okay. It don't have to be perfect, but a little bit grinded just like that. So first step we're gonna do for this, get our glass. We're gonna add a little bit. Well, actually, no. What we're gonna do? I'm gonna add a little bit of Hershey syrup to the bottom. Come with this caramel flavor. That's what I want to do. I'm gonna add a little bit right there. And then I'm gonna come back with a little bit of ice. Just like that. We're gonna add a little bit of sprinkles of this crunch right there. Okay. Got that layered up pretty good. Got our rum chata right here. I'll pop this open. That's good right there. Get rid of that. Add a little bit of Crown Apple into here. Like that. We're gonna come back with some almond milk. There you go. Pop our lid on. We'll add a little more ice into it. I'll be always forgetting to add some more ice. Gotta add that ice. Pop that on. Give it a good shake. Man, I feel like this is gonna be good. This is gonna be fire. There's something that's telling me it's gonna be fire. I've never had this one, so I'm gonna try this one. Oh, pop it off like that. Spread it just like this. And then watch it flow. Just watch it. Look at that. Look at that. It looks pretty, don't it? Add a little more of your crunch on top. And I want to show y'all what this looks like. Look at that. Look at that. Move it around. Let's try it out. Oh my gosh, this is freaking good. It's like the perfect combination. Yo, if you need something for like a holiday drink, I recommend this right here. Man, I'm telling you, this has like, it's just perfect. Like, I'm giving this a 10. it's like a caramel sundae. Like you make it, it's like you got the crunch. But man, like it's good. I'm telling you. This one right here, it's the one. Like, it's the one right here. I don't think I got any more. Oh yeah, I got some more here. Oh yeah, we gotta get some more. So y'all want to try this, man? I want y'all really to try this. So get some caramel syrup, add a little bit to the bottom of the glass, add some ice. You get a big rum chata, add a rum chata in there, add some of that in there. Get some Crown Apple, put a little bit in there. You can do like a shot. I like almond milk, whatever milk you prefer. I prefer to get almond milk. It's gonna taste a lot better. Get some almond milk, put that in there. You good, man. Like this is like a nice Cinnamon Toast Crunch dessert drink, like right here. I made one before like this, but I had to like it was a Cinnamon Toast Crunch drink I made before, but I didn't add no Crown into it. I think it was rum chata, but the Crown actually sets it off, man. It actually just gives it the more kick that you need to your drink. So I definitely want y'all to try that, man. But so I'm dropping another drink this week, so stay tuned in. Yeah, most definitely, y'all. I'm coming. And the crunch is like, you need it, man. It's like so good. I'll probably say, hey, what's this guy doing? He watching me watch me drink and everything. Like, man, I want y'all to enjoy this. So tap in. Yo, I'll see y'all next time. I'm out of here.